Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So when you see a radar image like this one with all of these rain showers at this time of morning, you know the atmosphere is juicy and primed for more showers and thunderstorms this afternoon with a little daytime heating. And that's exactly what we're going to see. Right now, our rain chance stands at about 20% across the region, and we have a few light showers trying to pop up here in the southeastern corner of the Sun Coast, but nothing really heavy. And I think for most of us, for the morning commute, it should be fine. I don't expect to see much in the way of rains. But later on today, this moisture plume lifting up out of the Caribbean, combined with a little daytime heating, will again provide us with about a 60% chance of some showers, thunderstorms, and at times could see some heavy rainfall develop under some of those storms. Could lead to some ponding on roadways right during the evening commute time. So keep that in the back of your mind as you head home this evening. These showers and thunderstorms, you know how they can come up on you very quickly. And because they'll be slow movers, because of all the moisture, they have that potential of producing some fairly heavy rainfall in short order. We're also watching this kind of line of showers that's heavier down toward the Caribbean. Some computer models suggest that there may be a little bit of a spin up in that line of showers and perhaps even some tropical development as we head into the holiday weekend. Their models are really still kind of all over the place, but it's something for us to watch as we head into the weekend. Regardless, it's going to bring us more rainfall. We have this morning about a 20% chance of scattered showers across the region. As we head into the lunchtime hour, though, we have a much better chance at seeing some of those showers produce some heavier rainfall at times. Maybe some pops of lightning, maybe some gusty winds with some of those storms. And then that exists right straight through the evening rush hour and into the early night. As the sun sets, things start to kind of wind down just a little bit, and I think as we wake up tomorrow morning, we might just do this all over again. 2 days in a row, I think, of some potentially heavier rain falling. So this trough of low pressure is something we're going to be watching. With a high pressure ridge out in the Atlantic kind of building in, we have a couple of days of this southerly flow bringing us rainfall, but then as we head into midweek, maybe a little bit of a break, maybe a little drying out period. Just a couple of days. Rain chances will still be around, but they'll be reduced to maybe 30% or 20%. So that's a good thing. We need that. But then it won't last long because this trough of low pressure will start lifting northward, and we'll watch it to see if there's any kind of tropical development down the road. Right now, the Hurricane Center is not pointing to any kind of development, but some computer models do, taking it as a spin-up low-pressure area, maybe even a tropical storm up through the central Gulf of Mexico. Some take it out into the Atlantic. Either way, the main impact on us, regardless of any kind of minor development, is going to be heavier rainfall as we head into, particularly, I think, Saturday, Sunday, and then maybe even a little bit on Monday, depending on the timing of the system. So it's something we're going to keep watching. Several wet days, midweek drying, and then that possible heavier weekend rain. Through the next 24 hours to 48 hours, we get some rainfall amounts that could exceed an inch or two of rainfall. But it's really over the weekend that we start to see the rainfall chances increase. And by Monday, some places, I think, especially in South Florida, could see 5, 6, 7-inch rainfall. So some significant rains on the way. Well, it's impossible to know right now exactly where those will pop up. What part of Florida, but it's something we'll keep an eye on. If you're looking for something good, the Fire Danger Index is continuing to show better chances of continuing low index values over the next several days. Southeast wind at about 5 to 10 knots, and the forecast for the next several days keeps us wet. Then we dry out a little bit Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe Friday. And then we'll watch for the potential of heavy rain starting Friday night, but particularly Saturday and maybe into Sunday as well.